Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Johomviin M6 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. The cordless vacuum cleaner equipped with 380-watt upgraded brushless digital motor can generate up to 228 W suction power, which satisfies most cleaning demands. Easily picks up pet hair, debris from carpet, hardwood floor, tile, car, stair, sofa, and more. Brushless vacuum provides better performance than brushed vacuum cleaner. Built-in 7-cell 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery, runtime up to 50 minutes, enough power to clean longer. Removable battery makes it easy to charge separately or buy a spare battery. The cordless stick vacuum, designed with 6 stages high-efficiency full-sealed filtration system, captures large particles and 99.99% microdust as small as 0.1 um. Expels ultimate purified air for your family and prevents secondary air pollution. The filter is washable. M6 cordless stick vacuum comes with retractable metal tube, long flat suction, 2-in-1 brush, motorized brush, water tank, V-shape roller brush and mini motorized brush, which can be assembled into 11 combinations. Meet all your daily cleaning needs. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.